If you're looking to start a full-fledged business, selling on Amazon could be the perfect way to do it. With over 310 million active customer accounts, Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world. What's more, anyone can start selling on Amazon. You don't need to be a big corporation or have any previous experience. If you're thinking about selling on Amazon, this guide is for you. I will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. This includes how to create an account, list your products, and ship them to customers. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start making money on Amazon. The first step to selling on Amazon is creating a seller account. This is a pretty straightforward process, but there are a few things you'll need to have ready before you get started. You will need a credit card, an email address, and a phone number. To do this, head to Google and type Seller Central Account in the search box. When you click on the search result, you'll be directed to a sign-up page where you can create your account. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a password. Once you've done that, click Create Your Amazon Account. Next, you'll be asked to provide some additional information about yourself and your business. This includes your mailing address, phone number, and credit card information. Amazon will also ask you to choose whether you're selling as an individual or as a professional. If you're not sure which one to choose, click the link in the description below for more information. Once you've completed all of the fields, click Finish Sign Up. Amazon will send you an invitation to verify your identity. Once you've done that, your account will be officially created, and you can start selling. Now that you have an Amazon seller account, it's time to start listing your products. Before you do that, though, there are a few things you need to have in the following order. 1. Product information. Like the name, the price, the dimensions, and the weight of the product. This is the basic information about your product, and you will need it in order to be able to list it on Amazon. 2. Product photos. These are what your potential customers will see when they're browsing through the Amazon marketplace. Make sure that your photos are high quality and accurately represent your product. 3. Product listing title. This is a short, attention-grabbing title that will appear in search results. And 4. Product description. This is your chance to really sell your product. Make sure to include all of the features and benefits of your product in the description, as well as any relevant keywords, so that potential customers can easily find your listing. Congrats on completing this crucial step. Once you have all of this information ready, you can start listing your product on Amazon. To do this, head over to the inventory page and click Add a Product. From there, you'll be able to search for your product using the UPC, EAN, or ASIN code. If you don't have one of these codes, you can search by keyword. If your product is already being sold on Amazon, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter how many you have in stock and the price you want to sell them for. If your product isn't already being sold on Amazon, you'll need to create a listing for it. To do this, you'll need to enter some information about your product, including the title, manufacturer, model number, and condition. You'll also need to choose a category and subcategory for your product. Once you've entered all of the required information, click Submit Your Listing. Congratulations, you've now listed your first product on Amazon. Two ways to fulfill orders on Amazon. Fulfilled by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant. When you use FBA, Amazon takes care of storing, packing, and shipping your products. This is the most popular option for sellers. It allows them to offload some of the logistics to Amazon. With FBM, on the other hand, you are responsible for everything, from start to finish. This includes storage, packaging, and shipping your products. While this option may be more work, it can also be more profitable. You get to keep 100% of the profits, after all of the expenses have been paid. To decide which fulfillment method is right for you, ask yourself a few questions. How much time do I have to invest in my business? How much money am I willing to spend on storage and shipping? Do I want to outsource some of the logistics to Amazon? The answer to these questions will help you determine whether FBA or FBM is right for you. I will be doing a separate video to go through the steps involved when selling on Amazon FBA. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss it. To fulfill orders on your own, you'll need to set up a system for storing, packaging, and shipping your products. You'll also need to create shipping labels and calculate shipping costs. Once you've set up your fulfillment system, you'll need to start packing and shipping orders. When a customer places an order for one of your products, you'll receive an email notification from Amazon. You can also check your orders by logging into your account and clicking Orders at the top of the page. To fulfill an order, click on it to open the detail page. From there, you'll see the option to print a shipping label. You'll need to print out a packing slip and include it in the box with the product. You'll also need to apply the shipping label to the outside of the box. Once your orders are packed and ready to go, you can drop them off at the post office or arrange for a pickup from UPS or FedEx. If you want to take your Amazon selling business to the next level, you should consider enrolling in Amazon Prime. This program offers a number of benefits, including free 2-day shipping for Prime members. In order to enroll in Amazon Prime, you'll need to have an active professional seller account and meet certain eligibility requirements. To enroll in Amazon Prime, log into your Seller Central account and click Settings at the top of the page. From there, click Shipping Settings and then scroll down to the section labeled Fulfillment by Amazon. Next to where it says Enroll in FBA, click the button that says Get Started. As an Amazon Prime member, you'll have access to a number of benefits, including free 2-day shipping for Prime members. You'll also be able to take advantage of Amazon's world-class customer service and returns policy. In addition, you'll be able to use a number of Prime exclusive features, such as Prime Pantry and Prime Now. You're now ready to start selling on Amazon. Remember to stay organized, price your products competitively, and provide great customer service. You'll be well on your way to success. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive all the latest Amazon seller tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.